Study after study suggests that obese and overweight individuals are more prone to diseases of the blood vessels than those of normal weight. In obesity, the tissues undergo inflammation, putting pressure on the blood vessels and inhibiting normal blood flow, leading to various vein-related diseases. Dr. Charlie Hahn of Veins, Florida explains how a few extra pounds means extra pressure for the veins and can cause various vein conditions.
Exercise, smoking, cessation, drinking less, and dieting is to help your general health. They tend to develop blood clots because there's less blood flow. When you sit in for a long time, you kink off those veins in the pelvis. The muscle doesn't move as much, so it doesn't pump the blood back into your system. I would suggest they can take some aspirin as prophylaxis if you're medically able, and also trying to get up and move around. As long as you move around, the leg muscle, they're pumping, and they will sort of like acting a muscle pump, and they pump the blood and back and forth, and that will decrease the chance of blood clots. If patient have a disposition to standing for a long time, say a cashier or nurse, if you can, try to sit and elevate your leg as much as you can during the day and give yourself a break. And also wearing stocking, which has higher pressure than the vein pressure, usually about -15 or so. And that can prevent varicose veins from developing. They can prevent the varicose veins to get worse. Varicose veins, those are large veins. They tend to be usually running down the leg. Spider veins, those are the tiny veins that just barely underneath the skin, and they tend to be in clusters, like the veins on the leaf. The varicose veins, they tend to be more like a river run down the leg. Varicose veins can cause blood clots in them, and then they cause a tremendous amount of pain once the blood in them become clots. And we call the thrombophlebitis. The larger it gets, they tend to pull more blood, which cause skin changes, color changes around these large varicose veins. It can cause skin ulcers, which will take a very long time to heal. And also they can cause a large amount of bleeding if they got injured.
For more information on Veins, Florida and their various vein treatments, follow the Obesity and Veins story icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.